Hey everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. If you landed on this video, then it's possible that you want to learn how to make Minecraft in Infinite Craft, right? So let's learn. On the screen, put fire on the empty space, then add water to create steam. Now add fire to steam, this will create engine. Next add earth on the empty space and add fire to it. This will create lava. Now add water to lava, this will create stone. Now add wind to stone, this will create sand. Now drag drop sand over the engine to create sandbox. Next add earth on the empty space and add wind to it. This will create dust. Now add earth to dust to get planet. At last drag drop planet over sandbox and you will get the Minecraft. As simple as that. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for getting notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.